Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap. Yesterday was a holiday. It was the 4th of July, so we did not have a video, and as always, we don't do videos on Fridays. Let's get right into it. Today is Tuesday, July 5th, just after the New York close. Oil, nothing but selling today, pretty much. Let's just crunch this up so we can just get a better picture. Opening inside of Friday's and Monday's range here. We just had sellers step in, consolidate. Still in charge of the sellers. Consolidate and then make another move, consolidate. And they just couldn't drive it down any further than that. But quite the headway from where we opened up. So almost a good 10 points for that close. 10 points in the day for sure, but to where we closed, not quite. But we are definitely net down for the day in oil. Gold, net down as well. Just had a move where we opened and also melting down and then just consolidated for the remainder of the day. Now, our equities, they opened inside of the range from Friday, well below the close of yesterday. Sorry, not yesterday, but from Friday. And they had that initial selling, and you can see they just kind of went consolidated, went to the right on this edge for a very long time. Yeah, they had some back and forth around it. For the most part, they didn't really make much headway until after lunch. And you can see they had an attempt to run up around 10:30ish, but they got stuffed and they were brought back down to this area here, and they were just held there for quite a while. And then they slowly but surely started to make their way up, and those buyers started taking charge right there, and they just moved on up and made some new highs for the day. Eventually, they got to that close from yesterday and beyond, so they did make from Friday, new highs of the day. And so we are closing net positive in the ES as well as the NASDAQ here. I'll just scroll back for you. Much like the ES, the NASDAQ, when it opened, had sellers, and then it got pinned here for a while. Good, almost 30 minutes, and you can see there's just no real movement in this general area from that initial balance, and then they finally break out just before lunch, unlike the ES, where it just was stuck there for most of the time. NASDAQ actually had some headway and was moving and grooving a bit, but you'll see it finally makes it out even further after that consolidation that you just saw as we scrolled through. But getting outside, got to that close, and then made some new highs for the day. And then this is right where we finish off right now. So we've got quite the movement. It was a very slow and grinding move up in our equities, but nonetheless, they are net positive for the day. Now these levels, these orangish levels, are called high volume areas. They are the areas in which our methodology is based off of. You can see that there is response around those edges, and according to our methodologies, there are potential entries there. If you are a student, you know what those conditions are. If you're interested in getting these levels onto your charts the night before the next day's trading session, yes, you heard me, that was correct. That was the night before the next day's trading session. Feel free to reach out to us, or if you're wanting to learn how to trade futures, again, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. So you can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with the representative there, and they'll gladly show you into the rooms, and you'll be able to see what we do each day. And you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. On top of that, go check out Pat's videos of the win-loss break-even. They are the student submissions each day based off of the levels that were, again, given the night before the next day's trading endeavor. We look forward to seeing you in the rooms, and we'll see you tomorrow.